Hello?
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 Nance?
I know. I'm late, but Rohan's flight is an hour delayed, Tara.
Then when will you pick me up, Nance?
Give me 15 minutes. I have to finish these accounts.
Honestly, Nance, if only I had half your energy. I'm dead by the time I come back from college. How do you do it? Tara?
You remember what Rohan says? Attitude, baby, attitude.
Ki holo, ma?
Remind Didi about tonight, Dhar.
I know. It's about dinner tonight, right?
Yeah.
Tell Miss Basto Bagish that I don't forget my dinner dates and still drive my CAR.
Miss Basto Bagish, not to worry. Honestly, Nance, no one can even beat you at driving.
What about Rohan?
Rohan? If he's in a good mood, then chalta hai. Nahale ekdom taxi driver.
Wait till he hears that. I'm leaving now. Okay?
Okay, Nance. See you soon.
Lokhi? কাবাব রোহান আসার পর ফ্রাই করবে আর তারা আসবে খেতে আর ওই চাটনি বানিয়েছো উকিল হওয়া কি এত সোজা এত ভালোবেসে কে খাওয়াবে ওকে ব্যাঙ্গালোরে চলো 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 থ্যাংক ইউ টেবিল লাগিয়ে রাখবে আসছে তোমার রেড ইন্ডিয়ান
Khemka, another drink. Ice coming up. Second drink for you,
Mrs.
sir.
Khemka, try some. Thanks. They're vegetarian.
Hey Jay, here comes a future star of Calcutta High Court.
Oh, really?
Did you have a good flight?
Yes, very good flight.
Mridula di. Thank you. But it's not my birthday today.
From today every day is your birthday.
Thank you. তারপর
ভালো আছো কাকিমা?
থাক সোনা ছেলে You become so thin.
একেই তো বলে স্টাইল কাকিমা। I hope you have made luchi mangsho for me.
হ্যাঁ বাবা হ্যাঁ Eat as much as you can, কেমন? I hope you're not dieting.
তো ডাইটিং করব কেন? Hi কাকু. All's well?
Very fine. Riduladi, is Rohan allowed to have a drink with us tonight?
Only if you promise to take him as an intern after graduation.
Then permission is granted for Moddopan.
Ish, মদ্যপান. Sounds so vulgar, na? But it sounds more civilized when you ask for a drink in English. কি বলো মৃদুলা দি?
I never thought of it.
এই নাও.
Mrs. Sen, a whiskey by any name is intoxicating. So, what subject are you proposing to specialize in, young man?
Family law, sir.
Excellent. Let the trip begin.
So you're going to be coming to my chamber during your holidays?
Absolutely kaku, and thank you so much.
Wonderful. Let's drink to that. Oops. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Mrs. Khemka, you remember we have a meeting tomorrow?
Yes, indeed. 10 o'clock, no?
Fine.
Mrs. Khemka, will you please pick me up? কালকে আমার ড্রাইভার আসছে না।
Sure, no problem at all. At 9:30?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
আসছো তো বেলা কাল আমার অফিসে?
কাল? I not know anything, গো মৃদুলা দি।
কি বলছিস কি বেলা? আনসার
মাইরি বলছি মৃদুলা দি, মা কালী দিব্যি।
নোটিস পাসনি? ফান্ড রেজিং কমিটির মিটিং।
আজকাল I not remember anything. কিচ্ছু মনে থাকে না গো। Not going club, no card, no breeze praying. কিচ্ছু খেতে পারি না, হাই সুগার তো। তারপরে আবার নো ইনটেক সল্ট। কি করি গো?
কি বলছিস বেলা? Can't we do anything for the organization Didi started by pawning her jewelry? Come on, Bella. তোর বর কি বলছে?
আমার বর সে নাথিং গো কেতকিদি, একমাত্র ইউ আর ক্যাচ হিম। I asked for donation and he say le halwa.
They have to be looked into immediately, right away.
I'll just get the dinner ready.
Okay.
You did follow that. Oh, that's marvelous.
How long was Mriduladi married for Ketuki to bring up all this pawning business? মেয়েটার নাম যেন কি ছিল?
পলাশ।
পলাশ একেবারে গোল্লায় গিয়েছিল। She had no control over that daughter of hers. And Mriduladi herself, যৌবনকালে বেশ ঘোমটার নিচে খ্যামটা নাচতো। খ্যামটা?
May I offer you a drink?
Yes. Usual.
Small whiskey, lots of ice. Coming up.
Where is Tara?
তারা তো So, missed me?
Le halwa. Not one bit.
She's something else at Pakrashi, babe. What are you doing tomorrow?
Kano?
Arey bol na.
I'm meeting my boyfriend for lunch.
Really?
Do you mind?
Not at all. And after lunch?
Haven't decided.
Tara, Tara,
Ha, bolo ma.
come help me with dinner.
Ashti ma.
Hey, you didn't tell me your
I
plans.
have college, Rohan.
Bunk.
Hickory dickory dock. I'll think before I talk.
Come on, blow, 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 blow. Woo.
What a big cake! What are you going to do with it? Hickory dickory dock. I think before I talk.
Hey, Tara.
Oops.
Nance? This is your favorite
Dadra. I love
Begum Akhtar.
and you.
Nance? Were you ever in love?
Of course. When you were a little baby and couldn't say Nani and said Nance.
Nance? Bolo na.
In love? Like you.
No,
Then
not like me. Like you. Acha Nance, when you were in college, were girls allowed to date? Could they have boyfriends? Could they choose their own partners? Or were they married off against their wishes?
we had fun, we had seasons in the sun.
Nance, don't mutter that line and avoid the issue.
You really want to know?
Hmm?
Come and sit here, my love. Once upon a time, we were also young. But perhaps Polash never understood.
But you never stopped Ma from doing what she wanted.
No, baby, I didn't. But you know, she always blamed me for all her problems. Fights with Dave. Her highly strung behavior. Maybe with the fear that he may leave her, divorce her.
Who's he?
Aftab.
Aftab. Aftab who?
Aftab means the sun in Urdu.
Was he one of Dadu's friends?
He was mine. He was my Aftab. My shining light. Aftab Jafri.
Were you in love with him, Nance? Nance?
The moving finger writes, and having writ, moves on. Nor all your piety nor wit shall lure it back to cancel half a line. Nor all your tears wash out a word of it.
Why are you so tense, Rohan? What's bitten you?
It's about Nance, Tara.
Nance? Why? What's happened? Rohan, for God's sake, is Nance all right? Talk to me.
Aftab Jafri. Last night, Nance told me about Aftab Jafri.
Aftab Jafri? Who's he?
Nance used to know him when they were at university together.
So?
For God's sake, Tara, don't sue me! Nance was in love with him!
So?
Hey, Sala Bokajoda! On Naki!
Just cool it, Rohan.
Sorry. Will you come with me?
Where?
College Street. To see what's left of Nance's past. Who's Aftab Jafri? Why hasn't she spoken about him before? Where is he now? Is he alive? Or has he gone? Lost? Forever?
Come, let's go.
College Street. So many memories. Aftab and I were students at Presidency College. Initially just acquaintances. At that time he was very involved with student politics. I got to know him during our MA classes and we grew very close when we started on our PhDs. By then, his political fire had been replaced with radical poetry. His thesis was just like him. So romantic. He was researching the influence of revolutionary poets on society. After all, such a dreamer. Such a complete dreamer. coffee house was our special place for addas. We'd sit there for hours and talk. There was so much I learned from him. About politics, about the Nakshal movement, about Urdu poetry. He got me addicted to Faiz Ahmad Faiz and Begum Akhtar. Yes, we had fallen in love.
तुम आए हो न शबे इंतजार गुजरी है, तलाश में है सहर बार बार गुजरी है। आते आते यूं ही दम भर को रुकी होगी बहार, जाते जाते यूं ही पल भर को खिजा ठहरी है। बिखरी एक बार तो हाथ आता है कब मौजे शमीम, निकली एक बार तो कब लब पे फुगा ठहरी है।
It was the best of times.
Can you believe it? This is where
It was the worst of times.
This is where Aftab Jafri used to bring her.
It was the age of wisdom.
Doesn't matter.
It was the age of
It's all
foolishness.
part of the past.
It was a spring of hope.
I'm trying my best, Tara. I can't.
It was the winter of despair. We were all going direct to heaven. We were all going direct the other way. It seems like a mirage now. But at that point in time, it was also intense, so real. Aftab is part of my life, part of my dreams, part of my nightmares. Can I ever deny him? Cancel him out?
Thanks for coming yesterday, Tara. It really means a lot to me. I can never really explain how much Nance has done for me.
Come.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. I'll just have chicken sandwiches, thanks.
Chicken sandwiches and 2 orange juices?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
You know about my mom, don't you? Nance and mom were never really the best of friends. The only time I can think of when mom helped Nance with her work was when she was translating a Tagore song for a fundraising campaign. Nance has never had it easy, but she's working all the time. Boom, boom, boom. She's taken so many punches from life.
If they cannot to listen to your call, you walk on all alone. If they cannot to listen to your call, you walk on all alone. You walk on, you walk on, you walk on, you walk on all alone. If they cannot to listen to your call, you walk on all alone. If they turn away, desert you in the wilderness, if they turn away and leave you stranded in the night, in the darkest of hours, and leave you stranded in the night, in the darkest of hours, then trample the thorns unafraid, and with your bleeding feet you walk on all alone. If they cannot to listen to your call, you walk on all alone. If they cannot to listen to your call, you walk on all alone. If they cannot to listen to your call,
Lokiti was always there to manage the house. Did you know that she came into our lives because of Nan's Center? She's been almost like a second mother to me. Her family in the village threw her out. She had nowhere to go, came to Nans for help. Nans has always given her life for others. Always. She even gave up the man she really loved because of her conservative parents. Just because he was a Muslim. Almost overnight, she was married off to a complete stranger.
And Aftab Jafri? What happened to him?
Aftab Jafri. His parents packed him off to England. Can you believe it? Just like a typical Hindi film.
You know, Rohan, such things still happen.
Tara, I give up. Tell me, will your parents marry you off to someone else?
Why? Will your heart then break into a million pieces and lie scattered outside my house?
Tara, seriously. Do you really love me?
Janina. Hickory dickory dock. I'll think before I talk.
I love you.
Tara? 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 দেখি মা টাকা এদিকে একবার দেখি
Oof, Ma, give me a break.
কি give me a break? Nobody will pray for you at Kalighat when I'm dead and gone. মনে থাকে জানো Your final exams are just round the corner, Tara. At least have some faith in Ma Kali now.
Your logic is just brilliant, Ma. Just because my exams are now coming up, I should have faith in Ma Kali. And when the exams get over, then what? Chuck all that faith into the Ganga?
Oh, Ma. When did I say that, Tara? You and your father always twist what I say.
Then why doesn't your my dear Ma Kali untwist them for you?
Tara, that's enough. এবার কিন্তু বাড়াবাড়ি হচ্ছে. Sometimes it's pointless talking to you.
Ma, wasn't Nans one of your professors?
হ্যাঁ. When I was doing my graduation, সে তখন থেকে.
Did you know someone called Aftab Jafri?
কেন? Why?
Nans was telling Rohan about
About what? What was she saying?
that she used to know someone called Aftab Jafri when they were at university together.
এসব মান্ধাত আমলের কথা আবার কেন উঠছে? Why dig up the past? What's the use?
Ask Rohan. Did you know Rohan's mother?
Polash. Of course I knew her. As a child, she spent a lot of time with me, Janish. Didi named her Polash because she was born a few days before Holi. Polash was a posthumous child. Her father had died 5 months earlier. It was such a tragedy, Janish. But we came to know much later. তবে
Rohan never mentioned this to me.
ভীষণ জেদি মেয়ে ছিল পলাশ আর তেমনি দুষ্টু দিদি used to send it to me for maths tuition. ওকে পড়ানো বাপরে বাপ, it was a real যুদ্ধ. My little ugly duckling that turned into a swan. Polash, have you finished?
How can I finish unless you tell me what's 9 times 12?
Margo, am I doing the sums for you?
But you're helping me. So please tell me the answer. Otherwise, how can I finish my homework?
Finish your sums, cheeky girl.
Nans had a very complex relationship with Rohan's mother, didn't she?
Mother-daughter relationships are always very complex, Tara. তুই তো আমাদের বুড়ো বয়সের মেয়ে. You came to us so late. Even then we have such awful fights, Paul. একবার দিদি কথাটা ভাব. She had Polash when she was so young. She brought her up with great difficulty, under huge financial strain. তার উপর, she was doing so many things single-handedly. It was a tough life, Ma.
What about Rohan's dad?
The less said about that waster, the better. His Anglo-Indian mother dumped the family and ran away to Australia. And after his father died, he was left with a huge house with no sense of responsibility whatsoever. Couldn't even look after his own son.
Even Rohan never talks about him.
Polash was different. She always wanted to know about her father. Polash? ঠিক করে বস। Oh my god, you haven't finished your sums. কি হয়েছেটা কি?
I won't do this sum.
What do you mean you won't do these sums? তুই জানিস আমাকে বিয়ে বাড়ি যেতে হবে? Come on, finish these sums.
I won't.
What's the matter with you, Polash? কি হয়েছে কি তোর?
Did you know my Baba? Why did he have to die? Why did he have to die?
It's difficult to explain why Polash was so insecure, so moody. Was it because Didi was always overworked and couldn't give her any time? Or was it because she missed having a father? Ki jani baba. God only knows. তবে হ্যাঁ, একটা কথা ঠিক. She was just like that girl, Janish, with a little curl in the middle of her forehead. When she was good, she was very, very good. But when she was bad, she was horrid.
I'll talk to him. Don't worry,
Let's
it'll
meet
make her
at the
feel
toilet
better.
tomorrow for a round of tennis.
Oh, splendid. It sounds like a swell idea.
Excuse me, can we order, please? Chicken ala ki, 1 and 2 prawn cocktails, please.
Just be mine for tonight, kiss me now. Hold me tight, be mine for tonight. Just be mine for tonight. Come walk my way, feel all we felt only yesterday. Let's not stay apart, just for tonight, just for tonight, sweetheart. Life's such a laugh, you leave me and run, and cool your heels in the morning sun. Life's such a laugh, you leave me and run, and cool your heels in the morning sun. But now you're here, oh so divine. Close your eyes, and I'll close mine.
Thank you.
Let's try to pretend.
Excuse me?
That everything's just fine. Life's such a laugh, you leave me and run, and cool your heels in the morning sun. Life's such a laugh, you leave me and run, and cool your heels in the morning sun. Let's take a vow, let's make a deal, tell me now. How do you feel to be mine? To be mine for tonight. Come walk my way. Feel all we felt only yesterday. Let's not stay apart just for tonight. Just for tonight, my sweetheart. Only for tonight. Just for tonight.
Good job, hon.
Thanks, sweetie.
Well done.
Hey, what's the going rate for you, babes?
What the hell?
Come closer to me, babes.
Stop it! Don't touch me!
Oh, sorry, babes.
You just love creating scenes, don't you?
Look who's talking. Did you want to run off with that guy?
Stop talking nonsense! You know very well that guy was drunk. In any case, this isn't the first time I'm dealing with a piss artist.
Yeah.
So what you going to do, huh? Bash up all the drunks of the world? Oh shit! Now look what you've done.
Oh, so that's my fault, is it?
Stop shouting!
You're drunk out of your bloody skull.
Yeah, right, so maybe I am. But don't you forget that I'll pay for your bloody whiskey.
Oh, thank you for reminding me. And let me remind you, bitch. We would have lived happily ever after if you had listened to me and had that abortion.
Get out! Just get out!
Mama.
Just get the hell out of here! Just go! Just get the bloody hell out of my life!
Go to hell!
Just go! Just go away!
Let's go to Nan's right now.
Hello?
Ma?
Polash? What's wrong?
Ma! I just can't take this tension anymore.
Oh, Polash. Where is your husband, Dev?
Janina! And I don't bloody care.
This is not your first fight, Polash.
I just can't.
Don't you forget that Rohan is yours and Dev's responsibility. Are you going to turn that child into a raving, mad lunatic like...
Ma, please, Ma. I just want to come home.
Coming.
Damn it. পলাশ কোথায়? কোথায়? Bloody cow. I'll show you what means.
লক্ষ্মীদি কে ফোন করেছিল?
দেব।
দেব? কি বললে তুমি? উফ, লক্ষ্মীদি আমাকে একবার ডাকবে তো। এত দিনেও তুমি দেবকে চিনতে পারলে না। He'll land up any minute and cause more confusion.
Where's your mother?
That's none of your business. How dare you?
Why the hell didn't you tell me you were here?
Don't shout at me, you bloody junkie.
Let's go home, Palash. And if you don't come, I swear I'll take Rohan away.
If you don't leave at once, I'm going to call the police.
Police? Go ahead. It's a free country.
Just get out.
I will. With my son. Will you help?
Get the hell out of here, you bastard!
I'll fix you. And your mother, you bitch.
Ma?
I, Palash. Come sit next to me.
I have never stopped you from what you wanted. You decide what you want to do with your life.
কি বলছো তুমি? How will she look after Rohan alone?
She must learn to deal with her problems.
Ketuki Mashi, what should I do now? Where will I go?
ঠিকই তো বলছে পলাশ। Where will she go? তাছাড়া how can she take such a harsh decision? Is divorce the only option? ঠিক আছে, I'll speak to Dev. I'll explain things to him. Please, Mriduladi.
I have lived by certain values all my life. I have given her the independence to do whatever she wanted. Why should I decide for her now?
Decide for me now? No, of course not. How's that possible? You people only talk big. You and your big ideologies. Ma couldn't even get a grip on her own life. What happened to her wonderful Aftab Jafri? Where did he vanish, huh?
Palash, stop it now.
Why? Just because I'm telling the truth? Just because I'm not a hypocrite? My father died suddenly. How convenient. And Ma? Overnight, Ma became Joan of Arc, the heroine on the burning stake, forsaking everything to fight for the rights of people with disabilities. Not once did she think what would happen to her own daughter at home. Why Ketogi Mashi? Why? Because she was too busy nursing her broken heart? I hate her. I hate her.
Palash. Palash.
Okay, chhede de. She needs to grow up.
Where do we go from here? Which road do we tread? Where do we hide our past? Why do we dread? Why do we dread talking about things all finished and gone? Gone with the wind, gone with the wind. And oh, oh, old love song. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Will you be by my side when I call it a day? Will you hold my hand? Tell me, will you always stay? How far away this world becomes in the harbor of each other's arms. What will it cost to smile, to say I love you forever and a day? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? Which wind do we ride? I know I'll be fine, I know I'll be safe with you by my side. Do-be-da-dum, da-da-dum-dum, da-da-dum, dee-be-da-dee, da-da-da-da-da-da-dum, and oh, 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 love songs. Where do we go from here? Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go from here?
Hello?
Can I speak to Palash, please?
Your mother.
Ma, কি হলো?
What's happened? What's wrong with you? You've left Rohan on his own and you're asking me what's happened?
I'll come and fetch Rohan tomorrow. Palash is with me. She's not coming back.
My lord, it is clear. It is clear as day that this child has been most irresponsibly abandoned and traumatized by the mother's extreme insensitivity. How can she then make any claims on the child, my lord? How can she then plead for his custody when it is she alone who has abandoned her home for her own personal interest, without a care for the child's emotional security and welfare? I reiterate, my lord, that such a woman should be shown no pardon, no clemency, as she has deliberately forsaken her only child and heaped inequity upon inequity on my client with false claims, harassment, and willful acts of omission and commission that raise questions of her real intentions and moral character. Where was the accused, my lord, when the initial out-of-court settlement was offered to her? Why were the accused and her lawyers so adamant about not appearing for any of the meetings to discuss the matter? And why did she take the child away from my client's residence without any prior warning and cause an immense mental agony and distress? Why, my lord? Therefore, I plead, my lord, that her claims be held null and void, and that I be allowed to present my witnesses.
Not true! Not true! My lord, it's not true! It's not true!
There are some documents and letters in here. Go through them. See what we can use to justify our argument.
I will. How's the case going?
Case ta bhalo jomeche. The woman really has no scope for any claims.
Kaku? Don't you think the mother is more sinned against than sinning?
Young man, legalese has no place for idealists. Shudu facts. Facts alone help our clients win. Huh? Find some more.
Bye, sweetheart.
Yay, Rohan! He's a big boy.
Come, baby. Come, come.
Hi, Tara. What's up?
We have a date tonight, remember?
Yeah, of course. Of course I remember. I've got some work here. I'll finish it soon, go back home and change, and I'll be there.
Okay, I'll just get organized. Bye.
I reiterate, my lord, that such a woman should be shown no pardon, no clemency, as she has deliberately forsaken her only child and heaped inequity upon iniquity on my client that raise questions of her real intentions and moral character.
Rohan, why are you so distracted? What's up?
Nothing.
I know you too well, Rohan. Tell me, what's bothering you?
Tara, I said nothing.
So is this going to be the mood for the evening?
I'm sorry.
Come, let's dance. Come, Rohan. Come.
You say that you love me, you say that you care, you say that you want me and always be there. Oh, baby, 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 I'll always be there for you. Who cares if it's raining? Who cares if it storms? There's no losing or gaining when our love's so strong. Oh, baby, 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 I'll always be there.
Rohan! Where are you, sweetheart? Come for band practice. Come to mama.
I just want to leave from here, right now.
Where do you want to go?
I have to go home. I have to talk to Nancy. And I want you to be there with me. Please.
Come.
Thank you. You're still awake?
I really don't know what's come over him, Nance.
What's wrong? Coffee?
Mm-hmm.
Lokhi? Lokhi? Coffee, coffee.
ভালো আছো লক্ষ্মীদি?
What's wrong? কি হয়েছে?
Nance, he's just so distracted all the time. So hassled.
My mother. She gave you a lot of trouble. A lot of grief. Didn't she?
How can I deny that Polash was not indisciplined? She was not emotionally unstable. But she was my only child. When I look back, I feel I was wrong. I was too busy trying to get a grip on my life. I could never share things with her, things that I could share with you. Especially Aftab. Polash,
You'll be delighted to know that I'm leaving home.
it's your decision, not mine.
My decision? Of course it's my decision. What have I ever got from you? Except neglect and insult. Just because my father died before I was born.
You know you don't mean what you're saying.
I mean every single word. Where were you when I needed you as a child? It was always Lokhidi and those stupid expensive dolls. They kept me company while you were too busy trying to save the world. And ever since Dev's proposed, you've insisted on behaving horribly with him. Why? Just because you don't like him? Or is it because you couldn't marry your Aftab Jafri?
Stop it!
Why? Are you jealous?
You really don't know what happened.
So tell me. Tell me what really happened. Tell me. What's stopping you, Ma? Tell me!
I don't want to get into this, Polash. You do as you like.
Of course I will. I'll do exactly what I want to. Ma, don't run away. I don't want to live in this house ever again. Never want to live with you anymore. I hate you. I hate you. Once I marry Dev, I'll never come back to this house again. Never, never, never.
इस वक्त तो यूं लगता है कि कुछ भी नहीं है, महताब न सूरज न अंधेरा न सवेरा, आंखों के दरीचों में किसी हुस्न की झलकन और दिल की पनाहों में किसी दर्द का डेरा। माना कि ये सुनसान घड़ी सख्त घड़ी है, लेकिन मेरे दिल ये तो फकत एक घड़ी है। हिम्मत करो, जीने को अभी उम्र पड़ी है।
With this ring, I thee wed.
I, Polash Chatterjee, acknowledge you, Dev Mitra, to be my lawful wedded husband, to have and to hold, for better or for worse, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish. To this I pledge.
Polash left home. I said nothing. She married Dev without letting me know. I watched them from afar. Their wayward life, Polash's job at the nightclub. Polash and Dev were so impulsive, so reckless. Ketuki is my witness. She would take Lokhi and go to meet Polash, hoping I wouldn't find out. I pretended I didn't know. Ketuki would laugh and call them Bohemian. And I'd tell her that all this Bohemian nonsense was just an excuse for being irresponsible.
Relax.
Then you came into our lives. Our little Rohan Baba. As soon as the call from the nursing home, I couldn't hold back any longer.
Very good. Push. Push. Wow. Good.
ঘুমের দেশে আসবে ভেসে ছোট্ট রাজকুমার আনবে সাথে কাকন জোড়া সাত লহরী হার নদীর ঢেউয়ে উঠবে মেতে রাজকন্যার গান শিব ঠাকুরের হবে বিয়ে তিন কন্যা দান La-da-dee-dee, do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-dee-dee-dee. God made the white snow, He made the rainbow, He brings sleep to your eyes. Hush, my little love, not a care in the world. Dream about the things you love so much.
Hello?
Polash, I miss you, baby. It's been 3 months. The house is empty. I haven't forgotten. I light the candles every evening. Please come home, baby. Please, baby, give me a chance.
ঘুমের মাসি ঘুমের পিসি মোদের বাড়ি এসো খাটে নাই চকি নাই চোখ পেতে বসো খেয়ে দে নিদুলি মাসি দরে দিও পা ঢুলে ঢুলে পড়ে আমার খোকা সোনার গান God made the doggies, fish and little froggies. He brings sleep to your eyes. Sleep, my little one, I am here by your side. Dream about your mama's touch.
Ma, I'm going back to Dev. Going back to my home. Thank you for everything. I'll always remember what you did for me, Palash.
There are many scars. I'd like to share them with you both. I hope you can understand. When you were 4 years old, I went for some work to Birbhum. I had started to feel very claustrophobic in Calcutta. All those arguments with Polash, her tantrums. This assignment was such a stroke of luck, even if it meant just getting away for the weekend. My stay had been arranged by the university at the home of a retired speech therapist. Her name was Rabia Zaman.
पत्ता पत्ता बूटा बूटा हाल हमारा इश्क में उसके अपना वारा जाने है पत्ता पत्ता जाने है बूटा बूटा चारा गरी बीमारी ये दिल की रस्में शहरे हुस्न नहीं वरना दिल भर नादा भी इस दर्द का चारा जाने है पत्ता पत्ता जाने है बूटा बूटा जाने है क्या क्या फितने सर पर उसके लाता है माशूक अपना जिस पे दिल पे ताबो ताबो इश्क का मारा जाने है पत्ता पत्ता जाने है बूटा बूटा जाने है पत्ता पत्ता बूटा बूटा हाल हमारा जाने है
कौन? Mrs. Chatterjee?
Mridula.
I hope you had a pleasant journey.
It's always so nice to get out of Calcutta.
Jamal, zara chai lana.
जी मैम साहब.
You sing so beautifully.
That's all I have left. These old favorite songs. Patta patta boota boota hal hamara jaane.
What about your practice?
Oh, I gave that up long time ago. It's 20 years since we came back. I used to run a clinic for tribals in a village. My husband looks after it now. He's a homeopath. Thank you. Sugar?
1 spoon.
Milk?
Just a drop.
Sorry.
That's okay.
You busy people in your big cities. You must have such rushed lives, Hannah.
Well, I run an NGO with some friends and teach in a college part-time.
How nice. What does your NGO do?
Well, we look after challenged children.
Challenged? Aren't we all challenged? You, me, everybody. You didn't like what I said, did you?
Women have inner strength.
What inner strength? What inner strength? I don't have any inner strength. Why don't I have inner strength? Why?
Rabia? Rabia? मृदुला?
वो जो हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि ना याद हो, वही यानी वादा निबाह का, तुम्हें याद हो कि ना याद हो, वो जो हम में तुम में, वो नए गिले, वो शिकायतें, वो मजे मजे की हिकायतें, वो नए गिले, वो शिकायतें, वो मजे मजे की हिकायतें, वो हर एक बात पे रूठना, तुम्हें याद हो कि ना याद हो, वो जो हम में तुम में।
For God's sake, Rabia, stop it. There's guest in the house.
Who is she? This is not the first time you are meeting Mridula Chatterjee, is it?
I'm sick and tired of your suspicions. Why do you keep drinking so much?
To forget.
Forget? What are you talking about?
About those lonely nights in Durham. About us, Aftab. About us. And about this hateful, third-rate marriage of convenience.
What do you want me to do? कैसी हो?
You tell me.
थोड़ी मोटी हो गई हो। और मैं भी।
You knew I was coming.
No, I had no idea. We have an arrangement with the university for their guests to come and stay here.
I have come for some research. You had gone away to England.
That's right. Everything suddenly became very chaotic here. My father sent me away to my uncle in Durham without letting me complete my PhD. Beggars can't be choosers, so I stayed on.
It seems so long ago.
No, it seems just like yesterday.
Your wife sings beautifully.
Yes.
She told me about your clinic.
Did she?
She's a therapist.
Rabia stopped practicing years ago. She's not keeping too well. What do you do?
Run an NGO. after my husband's death.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know.
I have a daughter also.
She must be a big girl now. What does she do?
A singer married to a musician.
How wonderful. You must be so proud.
Are you happy, Aftab?
तिश्नगी न मनाते तो और क्या करते, चश्मे शोला न मनाते तो और क्या करते, अंधेरा मांगने आया था रोशनी की भीख, हम अपना घर न जलाते तो और क्या करते. I'm sorry, I have to go.
कभी हम भी तुम भी थे आशना, तुम्हें याद हो कि ना याद हो, वो जो हम में तुम में करार था, तुम्हें याद हो कि ना याद हो, वो जो हम में तुम में.
Now do you realize the condition of our tribals, Mriduladi? 1 out of every 10 person has some sort of disability in India. But this is their plight in villages.
But what is being done for the people with disabilities by the local panchayats?
Very little. Only some NGOs are working here, trying to do what they can with limited funds. That's all. Ask Aftab Bhai. He faces so many problems every day.
It must be such a different experience for you.
Not really. Just difference of geography.
I still have to make some more home calls. I'll pick you up tomorrow, Mriduladi.
Sure.
Ashi?
See you. Rest a little before we leave.
So, when did you become a homeopath?
The day I lost my independence.
Why?
Because Mridula had to go away.
Oh, you could have stopped her.
That wasn't possible.
It was a very lonely life, Aftab.
Your husband?
A corporate man busy with his business and golf. Died very soon after our marriage. He was just 35. A massive heart attack. I was already pregnant before I got married.
Your parents and child?
Ma died very soon after that. Baba went away to Lucknow to live with his brother. I was left alone with a little baby girl, starting life all over again in Calcutta. Nobody to share my feelings with. Now the baby's grown and she has a little Baba.
But?
She's not happy. Not settled.
What's her name?
The name we selected for our child?
Polash?
Polash. Chalo, let's go. Lokhi looks after the house, Lokhi, and I wouldn't know what to do without her. She...
Ma?
Polash,
Ma?
meet my host, Aftab Jafri.
Aftab Jafri?
Yes, I've told you about Mr. Jafri.
हेलो बेटे.
There's something really urgent I need to discuss with you. Can I talk to you alone?
Why don't you sit here? I'll see you later. Make yourself comfortable.
Now what? How have you come?
I drove down in a friend's car. Ma, Dave is going away to Australia. He wants a divorce. He asked me to leave the house. So, I left Rohan with Lokhi and rushed here. Ma, what will I do now? You have to come with me, please.
Where?
To Calcutta. Who's going to look after Rohan?
Rohan is yours and Dev's responsibility, not mine.
So you won't come?
I can't. I have work to do.
Work? What great work are you doing here? Secretly meeting your wonderful Aftab Jafri?
Polash, don't use me as your punching bag.
Ma, Dev is going away. He's deserting me and Rohan. Try to understand. My marriage is over.
I understand. Typical pattern of your fights with Dev.
Okay, fine. You don't want to help me? At least come for Rohan's sake.
Don't blackmail me.
What secrets are you hiding here that you don't want to come with me? What will this Aftab Jafri give you? What does he mean to you? I need you. Rohan needs you.
Need. Always about your need. What about me? Have you ever given it a thought?
Oh, so now suddenly after all these years, Aftab Jafri is the knight in shining armor.
Polash.
I should have known all along that you've been lying to me about him.
He's your father. I was pregnant when I got married.
It's not true.
It is true.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Why are you telling me this now?
Polash.
Why are you lying to me again?
I'm not.
Why? Why are you lying to me? Why, Ma? You're a liar.
Meet my host, Aftab Jafri. Yes, I've told you about Mr. Jafri. I was pregnant when I got married. He's your father. He's your father.
Hello? Yes, she's a guest here. What? What are you saying? Where? Which hospital? Mridula!
You have that strength. You have it. You have it.
So do you. Aftab came to Calcutta and tried to get in touch with me. But I realized I'd have to carry on alone. Aftab had enough problems of his own. Deb had already left for Melbourne. You were so little, so vulnerable. So I distanced myself from Aftab. At that time, it seemed the only right thing to do.
A child should always say what's true and speak when he is spoken to. And behave mannerly at table, at least as far as he is able. Nance?
Yeah, baby.
Who's he?
He? He is my best friend. Like Ishan is yours? Like that.
Wow. Nance, what story are you going to tell me today? About the giant in the castle? Or about Krishna and his magic flute?
I love you, baby. Come, Baba. Since then, I've told you many stories and saved this one for the last. আমার গল্পটি ফুরলো, নোটে গাছটি মুড়লো।
Love's just a sweet, sad song. Oh, love's just a joke meant for fools. Love's just a game with no rules. Love's just a sweet, sad song. Love's just a sweet, sad song. Love's just a silly excuse to hurt or be hurt, who can tell? Love can be heaven, love can be hell, love can be joy, love can be pain. Love's like the rainbow after the rain. Love is the hope to live once again. Love's just a sweet, sad song. Ooh, love's just a sweet, sad song. Love's just a four-letter word spoken without any care. Love can be weak, love can be strong, love can be right, love can be wrong. Love can just vanish into thin air. Come, fall in love, fall in love if you dare. Love's just a sweet, sad song. Ooh, love's just a sweet, sad song. Love's just a sweet, sad song. Love's just a sweet, sad song. Ooh, love's just a sweet, sad song. Love's just a sweet, sad song.